So today the question I solve is square root. First understand the problem. Given a negative integer x, return the square root of x, round it down to the nearest integer. The returned integer should be non-negative as well, and so the constraint is you must not use a built-in exponent function or an operator. So we can't use in the solution built-in functions. Let's see first example. X is 4, so its square root is 2. Our answer should be 2. Here in example number 2, the x is 8 and square root is 2. Let's see which approach I use to solve this question. I use the binary search algorithm. So it works like to find the mid value by using this formula, left plus right dividing by 2. So in this case our mid value is 8. First, x is 16. It means the answer should exist between 1 to 16. So first I find the median value. It should be 8. Then I find the square root of 8. So 8 is 64, so it is greater than x. So it means we don't need to check the values after 8. Simply we skip these values and we're looking at the values behind the 8. So now again we find the mid value here, and 3 3s are 9, which is less than 16. So again we skip these values, and now we check 5. Check these values between 4 to 7. So after finding the median value between these two, we check the square root of 5 is 25, which is also greater than 16. Now simply we look at the value behind the 5. So 4 for the 16. In this case we find our result, so we don't need to check each value in the string. In this case we solve our question. So its time complexity is big of log n. And let's see Sqrt how it works. Let's see how the code works. First we find the median value. So what we do? First I find the left pointer 0 and the right is x. So 0 plus x divided by 2. In this way we find our median value. Then we see while using the while loop. If left is less than equal to right, then we enter into the loop and we find our median value, left plus right and divided by 2. So if we use this example, the answer should be exist between 1 to 4, like I have already explained by using the x16. So in this case the median value is 2. So if the median value, if we take the square of the median, is less than x, then we move the left pointer forward, which simply means we increment in the left pointer. So if the median is greater than x, then we decrement in the right pointer, and simply we return our mid value, otherwise we return our right value. So in this case a code is working. It's very simple and easy.